When I said whatever I said, I never said it to bash Zimbabweans that are living in South Africa. I did it bashing the South Africans. Because South Africans, what they know is they know how to mobilize crowds and make noise. Imimi Zimbabweans, when you go there, you know how to work. So when noise, wakakudzingai kunzvimbo yavo, imimi bvai ikoko, muende kwenyu, muone kuti zvinhu vanosara vachita sei. They will definitely call you back. When I did the videos that I did, whenever I did, I was not attacking Zimbabweans, but I was just brains zichifunga kuti a whole Zimbabwean urikuenda ku South Africa kuti unobatwa sekaki iwe une nyika yako unenge uchitsvaga raramo indolovhari. But come on, we can't be treated like dogs all in the name of tsvaga raramo. No, man, it's better I stay here in Zimbabwe, ndidye zvangu mabumbe, ndidye zvangu chizvese. You know, it's a good thing kana utotukwa unzi kutukwa kwese wande nchitokwe kwe ndotukwa ndiri munyika mangu baba zvakatu zvitori bhozve kutodaro kunzi wapera uri munyika mako. Brother, and I don't do music to survive. I do music because I know how to. I'm talented, and that's a fact, and you can't take that away from me. But what you know, here you can't beat me. Here you can't beat me. Come back home. Emuri vamwe kana unoda usokwanisa kuenda pa10 andika nekupera kwedi ikoko. We can mobilize people vanokwanisa kuti vari kuda kudzoka kumba, vanofona vonotaura kuti guys atina mari yekudzoka kumba and tibatsirewo tikwanise kuwana mari yekuti tidzoke pa10. I can do that nekupera kwangu koko. I can do that. So if you're serious, the number to call is 0776 291 321. I repeat, 0776 291 321. Utaura na Abero usingafarire iye kana uri serious uda kudzoka pa10. Udzoka pa10 zvakanaka. Handina ndomboudza pa social media kuti ndinda kubhadharira mari kuti udzoke ku South Africa. If you are serious, you want to come back home, call the number that I put on the screen. Kwete ngogwa utasina basa. Ndichimba nongo vanawanda pandaitaura kuti Joza ina basa. Handishauda achiningira. Nhasi kuti ndazowa reminder kuti ndakambokutichira da. Ndotaura takavaka dzimba neJoza. Hazvina kuramba kwenda unoshanda Joza uchidzoka pa10. Andambozviramba izvo zvitori right. Isitoto mutaitombenda onda mashow tidzoka do mashow achangari angasangana basa mashow ekuJoza. Yango taitoshandira hembe zvedu nekuda sei mari yedu iri muno muZimbabwe muno. Isusu tirimo muZimbabwe takafa. Dzokai pa10 kudzoka ku10 akuuraye. Nyamwashauda anabasa nazvo. Bosana basa reJoza. Kadzoka mugare dzimba. Makudzoka kunzi muzogara mudzimba dzamakavaka. You know, shout all you want. Now stand with my word. Joza ina basa. We ku Zimbabwe tizoshanda tese kuno. Namo yedu ndedu tese. Kana munhu wamuda kutuka uya mumutuke ari muri ku10. Koro unoyazo tuka isusu kuno kwe muri ikoko. Dzokai. Makutanga ma destitutes makavaka dzimba kuno. Come back home. Still as that. Shout at me all you want, but what I'm saying is the truth. We are pa10.
So ke ngangilapha ngimemezela umhla 30 June 2026. Abantu bathi ngiyahlanya ngenza yonke into. But more than 2 million illegal immigrants have left this country. As we are talking right now, we have our intelligence in the borders. People are leaving because they know ukuthi sizoqhubeka nalento. They understand. Today I got a call from a guy from Zimbabwe. We spoke for 30 minutes. He was ebonga abantu base South Africa. Enbonga abantu base South Africa. Ebonga ukuthi nibakhumbuza ukuthi bona bangamadoda ngempela. If you are a man, you are calling yourself a man and you are here in South Africa. you left your child, you left your wife, you left your relatives, you left your own place, your own land of your forefathers, and you are sitting in South Africa for 5 years without seeing your child. But you got a nerve to confront uPhakeni Mthakathi ohlala neingane zakhe obona ingane zakhe every after 2 weeks. You want to confront me and say I'm xenophobic, I hate Africans. You hate yourself. You hate yourself as an African. You can't leave your child. You can't be away from your child for 2 years. You cannot be away from your child for the whole year. The only soldiers are allowed to do that. Not a person enjoying himself, drinking all the savannas and Black Label and everything here in South Africa, enjoying that because they say Black Label in South Africa is more nicer. Is more nicer than the Black Label in their country. Can you really come to another country just for fun, for food and other things, and leaving your kids alone in your own country? My African brothers, let us bring back the true African spirit. The true African spirit, the first line of defense of any household is a man. Umusu sesa South Africa wena uhleli ubusa ingane zakho ishiye zonke ngokwesintu sethu thina abantu abantsundu. Into umsebenzi